Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is Making It Happen with Mary, and I am Mary. What do I have here? I did partake in the fine fragrance mist sale that they have going on this weekend, and this is my haul. Oh yes, oh yes. There was actually another few things I wanted to get, but they're not in store. And I can't justify spending that ridiculous amount of shipping right now. It's just like, I think it's unless you spend about 20 bucks, the shipping's like $10.99. Bitch, please. I ain't doing it. So I will wait for that stuff to probably go on sale at SAS, which what I really wanted to get that's not in stores right now is Cocoa Paradise, because I'm out of it and I would like another one for my collection. So, but yeah, but what I did get in store, I stopped there earlier today and I'm excited. So I do have a little receipt here. We don't need that, darling. We don't need that. I did get, it's a small haul. It's not huge. One of the first things I did get was Pure Wonder. I do have a fragrance. Hold on. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Hold on. Okay, this is from the OG packaging. When it first came out, it is a Brush and Go fragrance gel pen, which I still have a little bit left, but I was completely out of the spray, so at least I have those to go together now. But yes, Pure Wonder is Iced Rosé, Star Jasmine, and Warm White Amber. I have not smelled the spray in this in a very long time, so we're going to revisit this together. I have so many thoughts. This, to me, for some reason, smells different a little bit. I'm going to have to sniff some more before I can do a review and comparison for y'all. Oh, but I will be doing that. I do like Pure Wonder. However, I don't think she's necessarily anything that's like fabulous. You gotta have it. And that's all I'm going to say for right now. Next thing I picked up, y'all, I am literally almost completely out of the little mini I have in Chasing Fireflies. I really like this one. I really like this one. Scent notes are Golden Pear, Jasmine Blooms, and Illuminated Woods. Yes, baby. I put this on yesterday, and Anthony was like, "What are you wearing? What are you wearing?" And my 10-year-old son was like, "What are you wearing?" He really liked it. There's just something about it that is so, I mean, if you don't like powdery scents, I can understand why you may not like this. But for me, I really like it. It has really, really grown on me, and I'm super glad I have the full size now in my collection. Y'all, I had to get my hands on her. It is the new Luminous in the full size mist. I am loving this cap. Like, baby, she looking fancy and expensive. I'm down for it. Luminous is Ruby Currant, Gilded Iris, and Praline Amber. I am absolutely in love with this scent. I really don't know what else I can say except that I'm absolutely in love with it. My God. It is so freaking good. I can see the comparisons that other people are making to La Vie Belle. However, I still stay and stick to my initial review, which is that I swear to God, this is like 1 degree of separation away from Flower Bomb. And I will say, I have the little travel size spray in my purse. I have been getting mad compliments on that. I'm talking mad compliments. And you want to know who the compliments are coming from? Men, baby. Men. Not so much other women, but men. I've had 4 or 5 men now in different places stop me and go, "What are you wearing?" Yeah, you heard it here first. Oh, yeah. I really, really like this, y'all. I definitely need to get my hands on the body cream, the moisturizing body wash, the body scrub. I want the body butter. I want everything, and I want that damn full-size perfume. But damn, it's expensive right now. I don't know if I can justify it. And the last thing I picked up, y'all, I did get Luminous and the Fine Shimmer Mist because the Shimmer Mists were included in the sale. I think the sale is still going on today because you guys are going to be seeing this on Sunday. So I think it is still for the entire weekend. So what are you waiting for? Get you some Shimmer Mists, get the sprays. Yo. Yeah, I have not tried out the Shimmer Mist yet. Well, one good thing, it's not all clumped up on the bottom. I've noticed, here's a little tip. If you're shopping and you see the shimmer sprays, pick them up and look at the bottom. Because if they've been sitting there for a while and all the shimmer mist has settled on the bottom, no bueno, no bueno. But this looks freaking fabulous, yo. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Yo. Let's see how the spray is. Come on, baby, come on. The scent alone is just to die for. I really do like this scent. Yeah, and the mist, it's pretty evenly distributed. The glitter in it is not overly glittery, but she looked good. Yeah. One of the other things I wanted was Cocoa Paradise in the spray, but also the Shimmer Mist, because it is online. I'm still debating whether or not I will place that order. I don't know. I'm so conflicted. But, another thing, when I was in store and I picked these up today, y'all, I got to see the Christmas display. Now, I did not record in store. I didn't even get any pictures. But one whole table was set up toward like the middle back of the store that was completely Christmas. They had some of those new Christmas candles on it, like the raspberry thumbprint candle, or raspberry thumbprint cookie. And what was the other one? Oh, they had peppermint sugar cookie was back, hot cocoa and cream. They had like a lot more of the holiday scents. And I will say that raspberry candle smelled good, but it was light. So, yeah. And also too, I did spot one of those little 3-wick candle holders that has like the ornaments on it and stuff like that. Nothing fancy, but it was the first thing I've spotted in store. So it's slowly trickling in. I am still salty as hell about the fact that we did not get a fall 3. I feel like they robbed us, and I feel like mad. I just feel mad and disappointed. I was really, really hoping for some gourmand this fall, and we have not gotten it. So, with that being said, I did have a subscriber reach out to me and ask me if I had ever heard of this one company who does remakes or dupes of discontinued Bath and Body Works scents. And I was like, say what now? Say what now? I believe they are called Dirty Soul Soap Company. Well, when they mentioned this to me, I did hop on their website and I'm looking around. So I contacted the owner because it is a smaller company. It's not a huge company. It's kind of like Sugar Milk Co. size. And I got in touch with them yesterday, as a matter of fact. And we are going to be collaborating. They did let me pick out about a dozen scents. And they are going to be sending them to me to review for you guys. And y'all, I'm freaking excited. Because not only do they do body spray dupes of discontinued Bath and Body Works body care scents, they also do body spray scents of candles. Some of the candles that we've been screaming to put into body care for a long time. So when that comes, y'all, I'm going to be smelling everything with you live in a video. I'm not going to smell ahead of time, and I'm super excited about that. So I wanted to mention that because I am on the hunt for other companies out there that could be in comparison to what it is we are wanting from Bath and Body Works. So just wanted to mention that. But yeah, anyway, that is everything for this Fine Fragrance Mist haul that I partook in today. Did you guys partake in the sale? What did you pick up? Is there, what are your thoughts on everything going on right now with what they're introducing for Christmas. I know I talked about it in the video I released yesterday, but I'm still just kind of like, you know, I just feel salty as hell. But anyway, yeah, that's everything, you guys. You know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And other than that, y'all, we'll catch you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.